Hey there, good morning. It is Wednesday. We only have 2 more days until we get to Friday, so get excited about that. I'm meteorologist Josh Stone in for John Scalzi. We're looking at the Gulf of Mexico. For the most part, everything looking pretty quiet here, but notice the clouds coming in from the east towards the west. Area of high pressure to our north, and that's controlling our weather pattern right now. But we'll talk about that in just a second. Let's shift over to the tropics here. We're going to see that we do have an area of disturbed weather. This is more than this area of disturbed weather. This is Gaston. This is actually a tropical storm, and a very healthy looking tropical storm. Behind Gaston, we have a handful of tropical waves coming off of Africa. But let's talk about Gaston right now. Very strong winds sustained at 70 miles per hour with wind gusts up to 85 miles per hour. The next update is at 11, but as you can see, the track brings Gaston into the northern Atlantic waters, probably weaken, strengthen into a hurricane, and then maybe even stronger as it gets into a Category 2, potentially a Category 3, but as it enters into those colder waters in the North Atlantic, Gaston will start to lose its strength. But we're focusing on an area of disturbed weather. This is Invest 99L, and as you can see, the model track taking it in the direction of Florida. But where is it exactly going to go? That is the big question. Just spin that roulette table and let's see what we've got, because we have models all over the place. And also, this Invest 99L has to go through some obstacles, like dry air aloft, like some mountainous regions here in the Caribbean, and also we do have an area of high pressure that I just talked about. That's like a wall here. So if it can overcome that, then, well, things start to get interesting. And some of the reliable models now are jumping on board that this could develop into something that we're going to have to pay close attention to by early next week. Right now, you can see that flow generally from the east to west around that ridge of high pressure to our north. Our radar is quiet at this time, but as we go through the afternoon hours, thanks to a typical summertime pattern, clouds develop, showers and storms in the afternoon, just like yesterday, and we get to do it all over again today and actually for the next several days. Current temperatures right now in the upper 70s, lower 80s, 80 in Sarasota, while it is 76 in Punta Gorda at this time. Area of high pressure to our north, clockwise flow around it, bringing in the easterly wind, and our temperatures are going to be warm once again, and then we're also looking at those showers to develop. All right, for the boaters today, winds out of the northeast becoming north at 10 to 15 knots, seas at 2 feet with a moderate chop, and your 7-day outlook does show that highs in the mid to lower 90s with that rain chance increase for the next several days.